So in the previous class we discussed the last question was question number 71. In this class we discuss question number 72 onwards. So the question number 72 is small amount of which one of the following element or pair of element is added to steel to increase its machinability. The options are nickel, sulfur and phosphorus, and silicon, magnesium and copper. So which material which element is added to steel for increase of its machinability? So the answer will be sulfur and phosphorus. Next question 73. In which one of the following machining manual part programming is done? Options are CNC machining, NC machining, DNC machining, FMS machining. So right answer will be CNC machining. Next question number 74. In turning operation, peak to valley surface roughness is 32 micrometer. The RA value will approximately. So the roughness is 32 micrometer. So average roughness RA value will be 32 divided by 4, which will equal to 8 micrometer. Next question number 75. The mechanism of material removal in electrochemical machining process is. Options are ionic dissolution, melting and corrosion. Option C, erosion and cavitation. Option D, cavitation and evaporation. So 75 question number, the answer will be option A, anodic dissolution. Next question number 76. During ultrasonic machining, the metal removal is affected by. Options are high frequency eddy current, and option B, hammering action of abrasive particle. Next, high frequency sound wave. Next, rubbing action between tool and workpiece. So the question is, during ultrasonic machining, the metal removal is affected by. The answer will be hammering action of abrasive particle. Option B will be right answer for question number 76. Next, the condition in which the grinding wheels shine due to dull abrasive grains is called lapping, bearing, glazing, touring. So the condition in which grinding wheels shines due to dull abrasive grain is called as glazing. Next question number 78. Material after cold working are subject to following process to relieve stress. Options are annealing, hot working, tempering, normalization. So answer will be annealing. Next 79. An operation of embossing a diamond shaped pattern on the surface of workpiece is known as grooving, knurling, facing, counterboring. Answer will be knurling. Next question number 80. G01 in CNC code represent one of the following. Options are rapid transfers. Option B, linear interpolation. Option C, circular interpolation. Option D, dual. So we know G01 is linear interpolation. This is G01. Circular interpolation is if clockwise it is G02, and if counterclockwise, that means anti-clockwise, it is G03, and for dual G04. This is rapid G00. You have to remember, this is very important for exam point of view. So the question asks G01, so answer will be linear interpolation. Next question number 81. Break-even analysis can be applied to determine optimum order quantity, determine optimum demand quantity, compare two production method. Option D, monitor progress of order and report their status. So option C is correct answer. Break-even analysis can be applied to compare two production method. Next question number 82. Which of the following is independent of self-forecast? Inventory management, master production scheduling, resource planning, productivity. So productivity will be correct answer. Next question number 83. The distinguishing feature of an LP method, linear programming method, is options are relationship among all the variable is linear, relationship among all the variable is non-linear, relationship among all the variable can be linear or non-linear, and option D, relationship among the variable is unknown. So linear programming method can be applied when the relationship among all the variable is linear. So option A is correct answer. Next question number 84. Which of the following statement is true with respect to the optimal solution of linear programming problem? Every linear programming problem has an optimal solution. Option A. And option B will be optimal solution of linear programming problem always occur at extreme point. And option C, if the optimal solution exists, then solution space is bounded. And option D, if the unoptimal solution exists, there will be always be at least one at a corner. So option D will be correct answer, because if an optimal solution exists, there will always be at least one at the corner. Next question number 85. The method used to solve an assignment problem is reduced matrix method, Hungarian method, Moti method, and VAM method. So the method used to solve an assignment problem is called as Hungarian method. A calling population is considered to be infinite when capacity of the system is infinite. Arrival are independent upon each other. All customers arrive at once, and option D is arrival are independent of each other. So a calling population is considered to be infinite when arrival are independent of each other. So option D is correct answer. Question number 87. Which of the following is not an objective of scheduling? Maximize machining utilization, minimize job completion time, and minimize job latency at maximum job quality. Because this is the right answer, which is not objective of scheduling, maximize the job quality. So 87 answer will be D. Next question number 88. The coefficient of friction between the block of weight 10 Newton and the flat surface which is resting at 0.2, and if a force 15 Newton is acted on the block parallel to surface, the magnitude of friction force will be what? So this is the our plane where the block is resting, having weight 10 Newton, which is resting on the plane, and plane exhaust normal force N, which is equal to W is equal to 100 Newton, and a force F is equal to 15 Newton is act, by which there will be a friction force which is equal to mu into n. Given mu value is 0.2 and n value is 100 Newton, so the friction is equal to 20 Newton. So the friction will be 20 Newton. If a force of 50 Newton act on a block parallel to surface. So okay. Next question number 89. If a block is sliding with linear velocity 5 meter per second on a bar which is rotating with angular speed 1 radian per second, then the Coriolis acceleration. Given the linear velocity 5 meter per second and omega is 1 radian, Coriolis acceleration will be, we know the formula 2v omega, so 2 into velocity 5 meter per second and omega, so it's equal to 10 meter per second square. So option C is the correct answer. Next, in a single plane balancing of a rotating machine, if an unbalanced mass is 4 gram, is found to be radius 10 centimeter. This is the unbalanced mass 4 gram, which is radius 10 centimeter, and we have to balance it from another mass of 5 gram. And what will be the radial distance? That value what will, we know the force balance m omega square r is equal to constant, so omega is constant, so mr is equal to constant, so mass is here 4 gram and radius is 10 centimeter, which is equal to the balancing mass is 5 gram and the what is the radial distance, which is x, so this 5 is to 2, so x will be 8 centimeter. Option C is correct answer. Next question number 91. The number of instantaneous center of velocity in a planar of 4-bar mechanism will be, with the number of instantaneous center will be nc2, here the number of links, so this is the 4-bar mechanism, so we can solve n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial into 2, so n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial into 2, this factorial cancel, n into n minus 1 divided by 2, so the number of instantaneous center formula. So here the 4-bar mechanism, that means number of link is 4, so 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2, 4 into 4 minus 1 is 3 into 2 into 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. Next, 92. A flywheel gives energy 302 kilojoule by changing its angular speed 152 radian to 150 radian divided by second. The moment of inertia will be, we know del E is equal to half omega 2 square minus omega 1 square, so 302 into 10 to the power kilojoule is equal to 1 by 2 152 square minus 150 square into I. So I is equal to 302 into 10 to the power 3 divided by into 2 divided by 152 square minus 150 square, which is equal to 604 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 152 square is 23104 minus 150 square 22500. So 604 into 10 to the power 4, this is 604, so it is 10 to the power 3, so 10 to the power 3 kg meter square. Option C is correct answer. In a simple gear train, speed ratio depends on only on the number of teeth on the driving and driven gear, on the number of teeth on the idler, on the diameter of intermediate gear, on the number of teeth of driver, driven and idler. So in simple gear train, the speed ratio depends on only on the number of teeth on the driving and driven, not idler or intermediate. So option A is correct answer. A gear with infinite radius is known as pinion rack, worm, fillet. So options are right answer will be rack. These are the rack, which has this is pinion and this is rack. If you draw the figure diagram, and the rack has infinite radius, so answer will be rack. The shape of cable carrying a load uniformly distributed along the cable itself is catenary. Next, question number 96. The module in a pair of spur gear with 20 and 40 teeth and 5 mm pitch circle radius of the pinion wheel. We have to find module. So module formula is diameter divided by teeth, where 5 mm pitch circles radius. So diameter will be 2 times of radius divided by, let's take teeth on pinion. So 2 into r given 5 mm divided by the pinion teeth is 20. So 10 by 20 is equal to 0.5 mm. So option B will be correct answer. Next, question number 97. A vehicle which is modeled as single degree of freedom spring mass damper system while moving on harmonic bearing undulated road, the transferability will be 1. The transferability ratio is 1 when the frequency of the force due to undulated to the natural frequency. Omega by omega n will be what? We know transferability will be 1 when omega by omega n is equal to √2. And we know transferability formula will be one plus 2 zeta omega by omega n whole square root over of divided by 1 minus omega by omega n square whole square. This is root over of 2 zeta omega by omega n whole square. This omega by omega n is when root 2, then transmissibility will be 1. So option C will be correct answer. Next, question number 98. When a four-wheeler moving forward at a speed above the critical take a turn to the right to the wheels that tends to leave the ground is outer front wheel, both inner wheels, and option C are rear two wheels, outer two wheels. So answer will be both inner wheels. When take right towards tends the leaves the ground will be inner wheel. Next, 99. In locomotive where the company forces are partially balanced, the maximum magnitude of the unbalanced force along the perpendicular to the line of stroke is known as options are hammer blow, swaying couple, tractive force, hunting force. So answer will be hammer blow. Hammer blow is perpendicular to the line of stroke. Next, last question. A connecting rod of length 30 cm between rack pin and gudgeon pin has a radius of gyration. Radius of gyration is given 5 root 3. For dynamic equivalence system of the connecting rod, if the first mass is placed at distance 25 cm from center of mass, then distance between second mass distance have to this is the length of connecting rod, and this is the first mass, this is the second mass, this is L1, this is L2. We know the formula L1 L2 is equal to kg square for dynamic equilibrium. So given L1 is 25 cm and L2 we have to found, and kg is 5 root 3 square, which is equal to 25 into 3. 25 cancel and L will be 3 cm. That's all for today, and I completed all the previous year question from question number 1 to 100 from the Opsc exam, inspector of motor vehicle. Thank you.